End of the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift top of
You see the
buckle.
video?
Pull free and to release.
Makita sa atin.
If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist.
Jeep. Lumagano na yung plane.
Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten.
You see the
When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes.
Blow.
Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them.
maganda na.
The emergency
maganda na.
exits are clearly marked throughout
Jeep,
the
maganda
cabin.
na. Hala.
Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin,
Mujib, tingin ka dito,
emergency
Mujib.
lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation.
Jeep, gumagalaw na.
For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat
It's
pocket
moving.
in front of
Kung
you.
masirado
Fire
i-open.
extinguishers are positioned around the aircraft. Instructions on how to use them are seen on the fire extinguisher buckle.
In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seat belts are securely fastened. Seat backs in upright
Jeep, fasten
position.
your seatbelt.
Large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed in your seat pocket.